Alright, we are doing an empty house tour. Well, nothing's in here and the painters are on their way. So I just wanted to show you guys. This is the entrance. One thing I loved about the house was how grand this entrance is. High ceilings, really open floor plan space down there. And we have a powder room here. Why is the toilet seat up? A closet right here. And this is a mother-in-law suite, meaning there's 2 rooms in here. More construction outside. We are only, I believe, the 7th person to move into this neighborhood, so it's super new. Here we have a bathroom. A lot of storage space. And a bedroom. It's like a little apartment inside your house. Now we're gonna go up here. So you guys, I really need this staircase painted black. Like this whole railing. It would be amazing to have that in a high gloss black. Right. And here is the main living area. Covered patio. Excuse the dirt, there's no landscaping just yet. It's quite big out there. Can you really see the open space here? It's a pretty good size dining area in it. And I just love how there's windows on each side. Brings in so much natural light. Truthfully, it's showing up a bit darker, the floors. Well, it's only 8 a.m. So throughout the day, I feel like the floor gets a lot lighter. This is the shrine my mom made me bring in here, the first thing we got when we closed. And I don't know about you guys, but I don't know if it's a Filipino superstition, but first thing you ever move into your house is salt and rice, so she had that ready. This isn't gonna stay here, but you know, whatever makes mom happy, and we're gonna have a beautiful home for them somewhere, just not in the kitchen counter. Now this was a really cool bonus feature of this house. As you can see, it's like a little room. I say little, but this is actually 10 feet long. It's quite massive. You can do so much here, but my husband's claiming this room to be his little bar, so I think we're gonna do something cool in here. I wanted an office, but he said I have the whole house. I can't really argue with that. Kitchen. I just love the black matte fixtures. They're like so. And same thing with the cabinet pulls, they're all matte. Here's the garage. It's kind of a hot mess because we are moving, but it's huge. Excuse the mess. We have a 3-car garage, which we are going to convert that area back there into a home gym. Right, and then take you inside. This is the pantry, which I'm so excited about. I mean, it's a really decent size pantry. Again, excuse the mess. Just moving things in here as we go, but this will all be fixed and nice and beautiful. And here's my little Bath and Body Works shop. I'm just kidding. Right. And then let's head on up. So originally we didn't want the carpet on the 2nd floor, but you guys know with a baby about to be a toddler, I think this might be the safest option at the moment. We can always upgrade that later on. And up here we have the loft. Again, another decent sized loft. Brings in so much natural light. All the windows around, I love that. So let's start here. Here we have 1, 2, 3 bedrooms. So just standard bedrooms, closets in here. Why am I out of breath? All right, more closet space, laundry room in all its glory. Then we have the bathroom here. Oh, duh, there's lights. Full bathtub, bathroom. And this is another bedroom over here. It's really cool because you can see the house next to us is being built. It's really cool to see the process. It's nice to see how everything's made. Isn't that awesome? And then this last bedroom over here, what's really cool about this is it has its own bathroom. So this house is actually 4.5 baths. I think my painters are here. All right, and then lastly, I just want to show you the master bedroom, which takes up half of the house upstairs. Really good size. Honestly, that view is pretty nice right now because there's nothing behind us. And when it rains, you can see the mountains up there covered in snow. It's pretty beautiful. And here is master bathroom. Walk-in closet, which is basically all mine. And that's basically it. The painters are here, gotta go. All right, guys, so we got everything painted and I just wanted to show you before we start moving and working in here, but the walls are painted right here. And I can list all the paint colors we used down below, and keep in mind, of course, with everything, lighting, right now it's about 1 p.m. It's gonna affect how everything will look. I just love this color. And the black staircase just really makes the biggest difference. I love it. Because we painted everything, you see the baseboards really pop out. Here. And I did an accent wall over there. Showing a lot more gray right now, but it is definitely more of a Greige, a warm gray that has some sort of olive greenish undertone. Here it is. I think the paint really elevated my little plant, little money tree. And this is the bar. It turned out so good. And this color is Urbane Bronze by Sherwin Williams. It's almost a black, but it has a really warm, bronzy, greenish undertone. Look how beautiful this chair was. I got it on sale, $69 at HomeGoods. Honestly, I've been shopping like crazy, and I think I would like to do a haul on what I have found lately. The garage is a hot mess. Pantry. As we're moving, it's a 3-car garage. It's getting kind of full. I want to take you guys inside. Now we're gonna head upstairs. Whew, still getting out of shape. I need to start working out again. But that's the color, the Repose Gray by Sherwin Williams, all around as my main color. This is our master. Again, this is Repose Gray, which looks really different in every light. As you can see here, this is both Repose Gray. This is again Repose Gray. Just looks so different because of the shade and the light. And this is Urbane Bronze, that same bar color downstairs. I have a lot of light colored furniture and brass accents that will go super nicely against this dark wall. It looks pretty dark right now, but there's nothing around it, and we get a lot of natural lighting, so I think it's gonna come out really good. Just want to show you again the view. It's so nice. Here we have the bathroom. This is the loft upstairs. And here are the rooms. Now this color is Dorian gray, which is a little bit of a medium warm gray. I didn't really want to go with any cool gray tones in here. Here is one of the bedrooms with its own bathroom. Here's the view outside. Ton of new houses still building. Here's another bedroom. Let's see any progress outside. Oh, they're working on a Saturday. We've got the bathroom over here. And the laundry room. All right, you guys, that is pretty much it. And I can't wait to show more updates as we move in. Hope you guys enjoyed this and have a good rest of your day.